To troubleshoot CyberScout membership plans, start by understanding the different types of plans available, including individual, family, and business plans. Each plan offers varying levels of identity protection and cybersecurity services. So it is essential to identify which plan you are subscribed to and what features it includes. First, review your membership details to confirm your plan type and the services you are entitled to. Check your membership documents or log into your account online to access this information. If you are unsure about your plan, contact CyberScout's customer support for assistance. Next, identify the issue you are experiencing with your membership plan. Common problems include difficulties with account access, issues with identity monitoring, or concerns about billing. Once you have pinpointed the problem, you can begin to troubleshoot. For account access issues, try resetting your password or clearing your browser cache. If you are still having trouble, contact customer support for help with account recovery. For issues related to identity monitoring, check that your personal information is up to date and that you have opted in to receive alerts. If you are experiencing billing issues, review your payment history to ensure that your payments are current. Contact customer support if you have any questions or concerns about your billing cycle. To prevent future issues, make sure to regularly review your membership details and update your personal information as needed. Additionally, take advantage of the educational resources and tools provided by CyberScout to stay informed about identity protection and cybersecurity best practices. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot your CyberScout membership plan and ensure that you are getting the most out of your identity protection and cybersecurity services. Remember to stay proactive and vigilant about your online security to minimize the risk of identity theft and cyber attacks.